start. In special civil application number 4715 of 2003, the petitioner union has challenged the action of the respondent authority is not making a reference under section 10 with 1 of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 and prayed for setting aside the order at Annexure A made on 13 December 2002 by which the Assistant Labour Commissioner returned the application which was made under section 10 within bracket A in respect of the demand regarding reinstatement of service on the ground that the Forest Department was not industry stop. According to the petitioner, the impugned order of the Assistant Labour Commissioner was not justified because the question as to whether a particular department was an industry or not was required to be decided by leading evidence. In paragraph 6 of the petition, it was contended that the question whether the particular activity falls within the meaning of section 2 within bracket J of the Act has to be decided by leading appropriate evidence, and declining a reference to be made was therefore unwarranted and illegal. It was contended that the test laid down in the Bangalore water supply case by the Honorable the Supreme Court would govern the field, and therefore whether a particular activity was an industry or not was to be decided on the touchstone of the triple test laid down by the Supreme Court, namely within bracket 1 there should be a systematic activity, there should be exit employer-employee relationship, and the activities should render services to the society at large. According to the petitioner, Forest Department was selling saplings to the people and deriving revenue therefrom. The budget and finance statement issued by the said department indicated that they derived income from the sale of honey and other forest produce which amounted to an activity of sales. The appropriate government could not therefore have rejected the application for making a reference in the matter. In special civil application number 4435 of 2001, the petitioner has challenged the award dated 12th October 2000 made by the Labour Court in respect of the demand for reinstatement in the project known as Dev Singh, by which in lieu of reinstatement the workman was awarded compensation of rupees 5,000. According to the petitioner, initially he was appointed as a Delhi wager and thereafter as a clerk in the said scheme, and his services were terminated on 16th October 1984. It was contended that the activity of construction of dam was undertaken on a permanent basis, and therefore there was no question of closure of work being accepted as a ground for denying the reinstatement and awarding compensation in lieu thereof to the petitioner. In special civil application number 8259 of 1996, The petitioners have prayed for extending the benefits of the government resolution dated 17th October 1988 to the members of the petitioners union who were working as watchmen under the control of the respondent number 3 in the forest